Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to be checking out this awesome tactical EDC flashlight from Brynite. This is the PT16. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome flashlight from Brynite and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this flashlight. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at Brynite for sending me this flashlight to review. Let's get started. Let's begin with a quick size reference just so you get a better idea for the overall size of this flashlight. Here it is next to a large permanent marker. Here's a quick look at them vertically so you can compare the overall diameter of the flashlight versus the permanent marker. Let's take a quick measurement from the tip to the tip. Got 6 inches right here, so it looks like we got just about 6 1/4 inches overall length. Here's a quick reference to the diameter of the lens next to a US quarter. Let's get this flashlight on the scale so you know how much weight you're going to be carrying around. Coming in at 7.9 ounces. And just in case you're wondering what 7.9 ounces feels like, well, if you got some AA batteries around the house, weighs almost as much as 10 of those. Here's a quick look at everything you're going to get in the box, the PT16 itself, a couple of O-rings to maintain your waterproofing, a lanyard, and a USB to USB-C charging cable. This flashlight is made out of aluminum, lightweight and durable. Your waterproof rating is going to be IP68, so this is 100% dustproof and can stay submerged in at least 1 meter of water for 30 minutes. The battery inserts from the tail cap area, and it houses a 21700 5000 milliamp battery. This flashlight has 2 control centers. You have your side switch and your buttons on your tail cap. Let's have a closer look at your tail cap. One of the ears has a lanyard hole cut in it, not the other side. We have these nice reliefs here that make it easier to activate your switches. This big one here is going to be your on and off toggle. Nice firm feeling button, not mushy at all. And this other one will help you cycle through your brightness settings. Something I really love about the tail switch user interface is that you have access to turbo, whether it be through a half click or a full click. So if you want to blind somebody really quickly, you can half click it or full click it. Here's a closer look at your pocket clip. Get your profile view there. All right, this thing right here is your anti-roll lug, and it really does stop this flashlight from rolling around on you. Now, if you don't like the way it looks, you can pull it off, but there is another lanyard hole in here if you want to utilize that. This is hard plastic and it just pulls off. So if you're going to remove it or reinstall it, just make sure that you don't unroll this O-ring, because if that disappears on you, you're going to lose your waterproofing. Here's a quick look at your side switch, and you're going to notice it's nice and flat here. So if you're kind of searching for where it is, it's right there where that flat area is. Okay, when you turn it on, it's green. This will also serve as your battery charge indicator. You're going to just long press to turn that off. Over on the other side is where your USB-C charging port is at. Just a quick note on this LED indicator on your side switch. When you get this flashlight, it is programmed to stay on to help you find the flashlight in the dark. Now, I don't like that. To turn this feature off, what you got to do is use your tail switch, turn it on, cycle it down to a lesser, brighter setting, and you got to long press your side switch for 10 seconds, and then you're going to see it blink one time, not that blink that we just saw, but this blink coming up. And that will shut that feature off. Let's have a look at the front of the flashlight. Pretty decent sized bezel. Should protect the lens from shattering if you're going to use this as a strike device. As we look down into the well here, we see a nice deep smooth reflector. That's a great indication that this is going to give us a nice strong concentrated spotlight. The LED emitter being used is the luminous SFT40. That's going to give us a nice cool white light, capable of outputting 2000 lumens, reaching out to about 556 yards. You're going to get 4 different brightness settings and 2 different auxiliary. Let's have a look at those outside. Once again, guys, this has been the PT16 from Brynite. It puts out an incredibly concentrated spotlight at 2000 lumens max. If you're looking for a new EDC outdoor tactical flashlight, this might be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome flashlight from Brynite and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.